The stock market as a whole, guys, is going downwards. Market crashes are around the corner, if not already knocking on the door. The FTSE 250 has gone from £219 per share to £136 in just a little over 1 month. This is a 38% drop in share price. Bruh. I know, literally, it's a big drop. This is just a small example of what's going on worldwide in the stock market. In this video, I'm going to talk about where the stock market is with all this coronavirus floating in the air. Also, I'm going to let you guys in on a secret in the stock market that will help you make money during times like these, guys, or at the very least help protect your portfolio from these sort of scenarios. I'll be mentioning this to the end of my video, guys, so make sure to watch it throughout. If you guys like me dishing out these stock market secrets just like this one, then make sure to like, subscribe and share, guys, and hit that notification bell so that you stay inside the loop. Also, if you've got any questions about the stock and/or property market, then feel free to hit me up in the comment box below. I'll try my best to answer it, and who knows, guys, I'll make a video out of it, maybe.
DS Learning Finance. Whoa.
All of this coronavirus has absolutely messed up the stock market, guys. Stocks that were very expensive and/or competitive to get into, yeah, are literally begging investors for their money right now just to stay afloat. This is what coronavirus has done to the market globally. The FTSE 100, guys, hasn't been this low since 2011 summertime. This coronavirus pandemic is causing more people to panic than focus on the stock market. Whilst if they look at the past, guys, even in that 2011 example, they would have realized that the FTSE 100 bounced back, so much so that it exceeded where it previously left off. Just like in 2008 with the recession, guys. Just like the previous market crashes before then. History is telling us something. Now's the time to invest. People like Warren Buffett and Peter Lynch, investors that are deemed one of the most successful ever to have done it, are more active right now in the stock market than they've previously been in 5 years probably. And rightfully so, because there are bargains to be made. They're just cherry picking the best stocks to invest in. So I told you guys about what's happening in the stock market, so it's only right that I let you in on the secret that will help you make money at times like this. It's called the SUK2 fund, and it's basically short for the FTSE 100 Super Short Strategy 2, but that doesn't really matter. Basically, what it does is it short sells the FTSE 100. If you guys don't know what short selling is, then I've actually done a video on that, so make sure to click the link here. But in layman terms, as the FTSE 100 goes down by 1%, the SUK2 goes up by 2%. In other words, you're going to make money from downwards markets. But before you run to every stock market available right now, guys, I would say use this with caution, okay? Because as much as it goes down, it's like a double-edged sword, guys. If your FTSE 100 goes up by 1%, which we're quite happily in these sort of markets, just from a little blip, your SUK2 fund goes down by 2%. But what a lot of investors right now are using the SUK2 for is to actually hedge their fund, guys. So they're using it to balance the rest of the portfolio that are going down along with this market, but they're balancing it with the SUK2 fund so that it's staying afloat overall. It's just another investment tip that you guys can use for yourselves. And if you guys have been hit by this financial crisis, then please let me know in the comment box below. How has it affected you? Have your stocks gone down, which majority of people it probably has, but if your stocks also have gone up, I want to know about it. What are you investing in? Let me know. It's your favorite YouTuber, guys, Dami Solari. I talk about stock market investments, property investments, financial management too, giving you guys that consistent content, you know, before you guys can go about doing whatever you want to do for the rest of the day. Stay with me, like, subscribe and share, people. What? Yeah. DS Learning Finance. Whoa. Bye, guys.
Whoa.
Ah.